Today I'm going to show you how I make these loaded chicken tostadas. I'm Rose Oatley. Let's get cooking. Start by adding 3 chicken breasts to a pot, along with 1/4 of an onion, 3 garlic cloves. I'm going to fill this up with water and we'll head to the stove. Add about 1/2 tablespoon of salt, pepper, and 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon. We're going to be cooking this for approximately 20 minutes or until done. Next, refried beans. I love Rosarita brand, but use whatever you have. Add a splash of oil to the pot with the beans. This helps loosen and smooth them, makes them creamier also as they warm. A quick mash and a gentle stir and they're good to go. About 15 minutes in, come back and remove any impurities from your chicken, then continue cooking until done. While our chicken cooks, we're going to chop up a tomato. This is going to be part of our toppings. You'll also need some avocados. I'm just going to squeeze these in here since I'm going to be mashing them. I'm going to take a very small piece of red onion and we'll add it to our avocado. Before we add the onions, let's take a lime and squeeze it in there. 1/2 lime. Mash, mash, mash. Let's add a little bit of salt and pepper. And our onions. We'll mix this and set it aside. I'm not quite ready for the avocado, so save your pits, add them in there to keep your avocado fresh. We'll cover it up and come back to it when we're ready. Once your chicken is done, remove and place on a plate temporarily. I'm going to be using these tostadas. We're just going to warm them up in the oven at 350 degrees for 3 to 4 minutes. They really don't take long. Before we get to our chicken, I bought this chicken shredder. I'm so excited to try it. It's BPA free and dishwasher safe, which is a big plus. You just snap these in. Let's go grab our chicken. All right, guys, you and I are trying it for the first time, so let's see how well it works. Add my chicken in. Press down and turn. Oh, look at that. Nice. All right, I gotta show you what it looks like here. Look at that. Definitely shreds it. It's pretty good. To my chicken, I'm just gonna add a little bit of salt and pepper. Now, how about that chicken shredder? $8. You can't beat that. And it makes a perfect Christmas gift too. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is take our tostada, and I'm gonna start with some refried beans, a layer of refried beans. We're gonna add a layer of sour cream. We're gonna add our avocado. We'll add our shredded chicken. I think I'll use my hands for this. Then we'll add some lettuce. You can also add a little bit of cilantro if you like. Cheese. Tomatoes. And we can't forget the crema. I'm going to add a little bit of pepper. And here you have it, loaded chicken tostadas. Let me know if you give them a try. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more videos like this, you can support me by liking, sharing, and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes. Also, be sure to check out these videos on the side. Thanks for your support and happy cooking.